Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Time Machine on your MacBook Pro. We'll walk through connecting an external hard drive, configuring Time Machine preferences, and initiating your very first backup. This guide ensures your important files, photos, and documents are always safe. Setting up Time Machine is a crucial step for data protection, offering peace of mind against data loss. Let's get started and secure your digital life with just a few simple steps. First, you'll need an external hard drive. Connect it to your MacBook Pro using a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. It's recommended that this drive be at least 2 to 3 times the size of your Mac's internal storage to accommodate multiple backups over time. If it's a new drive, your Mac might prompt you to use it with Time Machine. If not, you may need to format it to Apps or Mac OS Extended Journaled for optimal performance. Now let's configure Time Machine. Go to System Settings, then click on General and select Time Machine. Click the Add Backup Disk button and choose your connected external drive from the list. You can also click options to exclude specific files or folders you don't need to back up, like large temporary files. This customization helps manage your backup size and speed. Confirm your selection to proceed with the setup. Once configured, Time Machine will immediately begin its first full backup. This initial process can take several hours, depending on the amount of data on your MacBook Pro. Ensure your Mac remains connected to its power adapter and the external drive throughout this period. After the first backup completes, Time Machine will perform hourly backups automatically, keeping your data continuously protected. You can always check the backup status in the Time Machine menu bar icon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.